In relation to the World Bank, I hope there will be a growing consensus, and the World Bank has been working quite effectively in trying to find new ways to be able to fund, namely middle-income countries, and Lebanon and Jordan are two examples of that recent development of policies. What they have, based on the rules, they have to respect. What they are trying to implement now is a system in which their loans are complemented by grants of member states in order to transform those loans into effective concessional loans with better conditions. But there was, in the recent discussions we had in New York, namely the G7 discussion on the funding of the humanitarian system, there was a number of voices, and I fully support those voices, considering that some of the rules that the World Bank is forced to respect, namely that no grants are available to middle-income countries in any circumstance, need to be replaced by a more flexible approach, because there are indeed middle-income countries that today became, in our opinion, key priorities for the international community, both from the humanitarian point of view, but also looking from another perspective, also from the global security point of view. And we hope that in the G7, in the G20, in the boards of the World Bank and the IMF, these changes can be discussed, and more freedom and more flexibility can be given to international financial institutions in order to be able to address the complexity of the present situation that is different from what it was 10 years ago. I mean, we are witnessing a multiplication of conflict, and the conflict dimension is something that cannot be absent in any consideration related to the priorities of development cooperation.